Begin by finding a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep, gentle breath in and slowly let it out. That's right. As you take another deep breath in, start to notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest. With each breath out, allow any tension to melt away. Feel your body becoming more comfortable, more at ease. Now bring your attention to the sound of my voice. Let it guide you into a state of calm and relaxation. As you breathe slowly and deeply, imagine a warm wave of relaxation starting at the top of your head and flowing gently down your body, softening your forehead, relaxing your shoulders, releasing your tightness in your chest, all the way down to your toes. With each breath, you sink deeper into comfort and calm. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, I want you to imagine floating down on a soft, gentle cloud. With every breath you take, you'll drift lower, feeling more relaxed and peaceful. Feel that gentle downward movement as the cloud carries you deeper and deeper into calm. 10, 9, 8, going deeper with every breath. 7, 6, 5, feeling lighter, more peaceful. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now you are completely relaxed, safe, and calm. Imagine yourself in a peaceful, beautiful place. Maybe a quiet beach, a serene forest, or a gentle meadow. Picture the colors, feel the warmth of the sun or the cool breeze. Hear the soft sounds of nature. As you breathe in, imagine you're breathing in this peacefulness, a soft, calming energy. And as you breathe out, release any tension, any stress, letting it drift away like a gentle breeze. With every breath, feel your body becoming more balanced. Picture your breath moving smoothly in and out like gentle waves on the shore. Each inhale brings calm and clarity. Each exhale releases stress and worry. Notice how your breath naturally slows, becoming deeper and more comfortable. As you continue to relax, know that your breath is always here to support you. Whenever you feel anxious or tense, you can return to this calm, steady breathing. Your body knows how to breathe deeply and easily, and you trust this natural rhythm. With every breath, you grow more confident in your ability to stay calm. Every inhale brings in peace, and every exhale releases the tension from your body and mind. You're in control. Your breath is slow, steady, and soothing. Now repeat this affirmation silently in your mind. I am calm, centered, and at peace. My breath flows smoothly and easily. With each breath, I release tension and welcome relaxation. I trust my body's natural rhythm of deep, steady breathing. I'm in control of my breath and my emotions. Every inhale brings me calm. Every exhale releases the stress. I deserve peace and I create it with my breath. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. And as I do, you'll slowly return to the present feeling, refreshed and calm. 1. Starting to become aware of your surroundings. 2. Feeling more awake. 3. Bringing back this calm energy with you. 4. Moving your fingers and toes gently. And 5. Eyes open, fully awake, feeling peaceful and refreshed. Thank you for taking this time to take care of yourself. Remember, you can return to this place of calm whenever you need. Your breath is your anchor, always there to guide you back to peace. Take the sense of relaxation with you into your day, knowing you have the power to stay centered and calm.